Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Slow English Stories. Today's story is about a man who came home from the airport, opened his suitcase, and discovered it wasn't his. A funny mistake, a little embarrassing, and a lesson for all of us. Listen carefully. Repeat with me when I pause and practice English step by step. This story will help you practice listening and shadowing in English. You will hear a funny situation with lots of everyday words you can use in real life. Follow me until the end and repeat some sentences out loud with me. And if you enjoy learning with stories, consider leaving a like. It helps more learners find these stories. It was late afternoon. The airport was busy. Families, students, tourists, everyone moving fast. In the baggage claim area, suitcases rolled on the carousel. Black ones, blue ones, big, small. People waited with tired faces, eyes on the moving belt. Tom was there too. He had just returned from a short business trip. He was hungry, tired, and dreaming of a hot shower. When the carousel started, he saw a suitcase that looked just like his. Black, medium size, a small red ribbon on the handle. Without thinking twice, he grabbed it, pulled it off, and walked away. No need to wait longer, he thought. This is mine. Pause here and repeat with me. This is mine. Good. Let's keep going. He walked outside, called a taxi. The driver loaded the suitcase into the trunk. Tom sat down, closed his eyes, and imagined his dinner waiting at home. 30 minutes later, he arrived. He paid the driver, carried the suitcase upstairs. His cat meowed at the door. "Don't worry, Charlie. I'm home," Tom said. He put the suitcase on the bed, opened the zipper, and froze. Inside, there were clothes, but not his clothes. Bright pink shirts, a pair of sandals with flowers, a large beach hat, and a bottle of sunscreen. Tom blinked. "This is not mine," he whispered. Charlie the cat jumped on the bed, sniffed the sandals, and looked at him like, "Who are you, human?" Tom laughed nervously. "Oh no. Oh no, no, no." He closed the suitcase again, sat on the bed, and covered his face with both hands. He had taken the wrong suitcase. At the same time, at the airport, a woman named Lisa stood at the carousel. She looked around, confused. "Where's my suitcase?" she asked an airport worker. It never came. Her suitcase was gone. She called the airline. She reported it missing. She was angry, tired, and very worried. Meanwhile, Tom tried to call the airline too. But before that, he checked the tag on the suitcase. It said, "Lisa Turner, Flight 812, Miami to New York." "Oh no," he said again. "I really messed this up." He dialed the airline number. After 10 minutes of waiting, a tired voice answered. "Customer service, how may I help you?" Tom explained. "I think I took the wrong suitcase. I have Lisa Turner's bag." The agent sighed. "You need to bring it back to the airport, sir." Tom groaned. "But I just got home." Charlie meowed again, as if laughing at him. "Quick question for you. Have you ever taken the wrong bag or lost something important while traveling? Write your answer in English in the comments. I'd love to read your story." Tom took a deep breath. He closed the suitcase, carried it back to the taxi stand. Another long ride, another 30 minutes in traffic. When he arrived, he saw Lisa in the baggage office. Her face red, her arms crossed. The airport worker beside her looked stressed too. Tom entered with the suitcase. "Excuse me, are you Lisa Turner?" he asked. Lisa turned fast, her eyes wide. "Yes, that's my suitcase." Tom smiled nervously. Sorry, I thought it was mine. They look very similar." Lisa grabbed the suitcase, opened it quickly, checked everything. Her face softened a little. "Okay, everything's here, thank God." Tom scratched his head. "And, where's mine?" The worker checked his papers. "Your suitcase is still here, sir. We kept it safe when she reported the problem." He brought it out. Black, medium size, red ribbon on the handle. Tom and Lisa looked at the two suitcases, side by side, exactly the same. They looked at each other, and both started to laugh. Lisa shook her head. "You should put a bigger ribbon next time." Tom chuckled. "And maybe write 'Not Lisa's bag' in big letters." They laughed again. The stress melted away. Even the worker smiled a little. Tom finally took his real suitcase. He waved goodbye, and Lisa, now calmer, waved back. As he walked out, Tom whispered, "Next time, double check, or my cat will never forgive me." Pause here and repeat with me. Next time, double check. Now, let's practice shadowing together. She grabbed the suitcase. "This is mine." He opened the zipper. "This is not mine." "Where's my suitcase?" "You need to bring it back." They laughed together. He paid the driver. Charlie meowed at the door. He closed the suitcase again. Her face softened. Next time, double check. Suitcase. Repeat, suitcase. Example: he carried the suitcase upstairs. Carousel. Repeat, carousel. Example: the suitcase was on the carousel. Tag. Repeat, tag. Example: the name tag said Lisa Turner. Customer service. Repeat, customer service. Relief. Repeat, relief. Recap. Tom grabbed the wrong suitcase. At home, he discovered it wasn't his. Lisa reported her bag missing. Finally, they met at the airport and laughed about the mix-up. Great job! Today, you practiced listening, shadowing, and everyday travel vocabulary with me, Jeff. Remember, practice a little every day, and your English will improve faster. If you enjoyed this story, consider leaving a like. It helps this channel reach more learners around the world. And tell me in the comments, what would you do if this happened to you? Would you laugh or would you be angry? Also, give me your suggestions. What kind of stories do you want to hear next? Funny ones, mysteries, or maybe travel adventures? In the next episode, I will share the story of a rainy day journey, where every step felt harder and one small decision changed everything. See you soon.